The objective of this prep technician job is to smooth out cases. The equipment used includes a workbench, a cart with new wheels, a vise. The tools used include grinders, an airline, a drill with a wire brush, a VMOS system displayed on a small iPad. The system calculates labor costs, a tablet, a light pen, a fan, an aerosol cleaning product, cranes. The materials used include transmission and differential components. The personal protective equipment included safety glasses, hearing protection, cut and puncture resistant gloves, floor mats. The work environment is an inside work environment with heat and no air conditioning. The worker observed was 5 feet 11 inches tall. The work methods for the observed prep technician job include remove everything from the boxes that are painted, prepped, and clean all components. Blow out all shot from the wooden box/carrier. Pick a side, top or bottom, and prep flat surfaces. All threaded holes. All bore caps. Drill every hole. Using a flashlight, hang the carrier. Blow out the inside and look for any shot and grease. Inspect the parts, looking for high spots, cracks, welds, holes, and bad threads. Prep all painted parts. Clean all unpainted small parts. There were several ergonomic risk factors observed for the prep technician position. Repeated and sustained exertions were rated as a high pace. Hands were in constant, rapid, or steady motion and exertion to position and clean components from transmissions and differentials. Sustained exertions were observed and included continuous standing, continuous exertions to hold and position tools, continuous neck flexion or forward bending to view work, continuous torso flexion, torso-lateral bending or sideways bending, elevated arms, and forearm pronation during segments of the work process. Forceful exertions were required to lift, carry, and position components on the workbench and in the wooden box. Engage grinders and drills to clean the components. Hold the parts while cleaning. Awkward postures were observed and include severe torsoflexion and elevated arm away from the body, shoulder abduction and adduction while using the pen light with the right hand. Elevated arm away from the body while cleaning parts using the drill with the wire brush. Elevated and extended arms to get components. Elevated arm away from the body and neck lateral or sideways bending while cleaning components positioned on the vise. Wrist deviation or sideways bending and neck flexion while cleaning parts using the drill with the wire brush. Elevated arm away from the body, forearm pronation, and neck flexion while spraying solvent on components. The mechanical or localized contact stress observed was contact stress between the hand and forearm and the edges of the transmission and differential components. Additionally, contact stress between the thighs and the edges of the workbench was observed. The recommendations for the prep technician job include investigate user adjustable height workbenches to decrease posture stress. Investigate user adjustable height and tilt fixtures for the differential to reduce posture stress. Investigate vibration reduction handles on the power tools to decrease vibration exposure. Consider using anti-vibration gloves that are also cut-resistant to decrease vibration exposure. Investigate suspending the power tools overhead to decrease forceful exertions and trip hazards. Investigate using inline tools to decrease posture stress. Consider using sit-stand chairs to decrease sustained exertions. Consider adding task lighting to decrease awkward postures while using the pen light for inspection. Investigate respirators or masks to eliminate dust inhalation while grinding.